Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about what is the return type of a method. Okay, how to understand what is the return type and how we can return the output from the method to the wherever you are calling to that particular method. Okay, so return type you can give anything like int, string, float, double, anything you can give as a return type from the method. Let me assume I have one method is there. Okay, so addition method is there. Public void, my method name is addition, and I am passing two arguments here, int a comma int b. Okay, int a comma int b I am passing here, and I want to have this method. Okay, my output is I want to return int c equal to, I want to return int c equal to okay, I want to return int c equal to a plus b. Okay, now the c value is scope is inside of this method only, but I want to access the c value outside of this method. Then how we need to do that? Okay, I want to access the c value, whatever the output is there, this value outside of this method. Okay, see, you can observe carefully here void. What is void, guys? So whatever void is there, this is the return type. If nothing you are returning, its return type is void. Or in this case, int a, int b, your addition you are performing, its return type is integer. So instead of void, what you need to pass? You need to pass int. Okay, you need to pass int. Now how this method is? Public int addition int a comma int b. Okay, int a comma int b. Now here you are performing int c equal to a plus b. How we can return this value? Return keyword is there in Java. Return c. So return c means it will check for what type of what is the data type of c? Integer. What is the return type of this method? Integer. So whatever you are returning, that data type you need to mention here. If it is a string or integer or float or double or char, whatever it is. Okay, so the method should have the return type whatever you are returning from here. Now how to make a call to this method? You can create object to your class. Okay, so how you are getting this is like any class is there. For example, class a equal to new class a. For this class we are creating a object, and a dot, which method we are calling? Addition method. 10 comma 20 you are passing. How to access this c value? How to catch this c value? Whatever the value here you are getting, how to catch this value here? Very simple. Assign same data type variable. Int d equal to, like this way. What will happen here is, whatever the value you are getting here, okay, whatever the value it is returning from here, whatever the value you are returning from here as an integer, okay, so this value, yeah, so that value will come to this d variable. Okay, this d variable, whatever the integer value you are returning from here, that value will comes to where? This value comes to directly to d. So whatever the c value you are returning here, that c value, okay, so it is directly assigning it to the variable you the variable which you assigned as a returned value here. So the c value whatever you are getting directly, it will assign to d variable. Can we give here integer of, instead of integer, can we give here float? No, you can give, but typecasting is required and all. That we will discuss later. Okay, typecasting is required to do that we will discuss later. Okay, so my point here is, whenever you want to return some value from the method, instead of void means return nothing you are returning. You want to return something, then you can give either based on your requirement, you can give int, float or double or string, anything. How you will catch the returned value? By using, you need to assign that value to same return type of the variable. Okay, so if you are returning integer value, then assign that data directly. It will be assigned to the variable which you assign to this method call. Okay, let me see all these things practically. Okay, let me see all these things practically. See here what is happening and all. Fine, let me create a new class here. Okay, I'm going to create a new class. My class name is math example. Okay, I'm going to have the multiple methods here. For example, public int addition method is there, which I am passing two values here also, int a comma int b. Okay, so I want to perform int c is there, so a plus b I am doing. Okay, I am returning integer value. Return c. That's it. Similarly, I have another method which is also going to return. My method name is a subtraction. Okay, instead of a plus b, I am going to do a minus b I am doing, and return c. Okay, you may get a doubt, sir, why you are taking here also int c is there, here also int c is there. That's fine. It's int c scope is only this method. Int c scope is this method. Okay, so don't worry. So, but outside of all these methods, you cannot have same variable name multiple times because it is class level scope. Okay, fine. Similarly, let me have one more method for multiplication as well. Okay, for multiplication also, let me take here into c equal to a multiplied by b, return c. Okay, these three methods are there for me. Okay, fine. Now I want to catch it. We are returning the output. We are returning the output from each method here. Okay, we are returning the output from each method. Okay, now let me create one more class to make a call to all these methods. Maths call, just I have taken public static void main. Okay, now observe carefully here. I need to create object to which class now? Math example class. I need to create object ma equal to new math example. Object I have created successfully. Ma dot, which method I want to call first? Addition method. I want to give just 10 comma 20. Okay, 10 comma 20 I have given here. But this method, you can observe carefully here, this method is returning what? Some value. I want to catch that value. Okay, I want to catch that value. How we can give it? So in the class level, let me take one variable which is int result, which is common to all the methods. So I am giving here result equal to, okay, result equal to, it is the integer type of the variable. Okay, it is the integer type of variable, guys. It is the integer type of variable. Okay, that's fine. It is giving result. Let me later I will tell you why, what is the error and all. Let me take int result. Now you don't get any error. See, this value is going to store it into where? Result. Whatever the addition method is returning, okay, the return type of this method already you know. The return type of this method is int here. Okay, so that integer value, whatever the value c it is returning, it is going to store it into where? Result. Okay, now I want to display the result. I want to display the result. How we can do that? So addition is plus is the what operator, guys? Concatenation operator. Very simple. Okay, same. I want to do it for subtraction, and I want to do it for what? Multiplication also. See here, one more method. Subtraction is there. Instead of 10 here, let me give 40, and subtraction value is, okay, instead of addition here what I need to give? Multiplication. Multiplication 10 comma 20, and the multiplication value is, okay, that's it. So this is how you can return the value from the method. Okay, this is the way how you will return the value from a method. You want to return, then return operator you need to use. But whatever the value you are returning, that data type and whatever the return type here you provided, it should be same. For example, I have one more method, public string. I want to return my name I want to return. Here I am passing string first name, comma, string second name I want to pass. Just I am returning the value. Just first name, just concatenating these two with middle one space I want to add it. I am just concatenating these two. That's it. Now what is the return type of this one? It is a string, or let me string full name equal to, okay, string full name equal to, I want to return full name. I want to return this value. In this case the return type is string. Now how you can make a call to this method? Observe carefully here. Now can I assign result to this? Can I assign result to this, guys? I hope you understand by now. Can I assign result? Because result is an integer type of variable. It is returning. You can carefully understand here. Change type of result to string, because it is returning string type of data, but result is an integer type of data. You cannot store. So let me take another variable, string name. Okay. So now you can assign this to name like this. See, now no errors are there, like this way. So the return type will work in the methods and all. Full name, okay, just I am giving name here. That's it. Let me run this program and verify. See, addition is, subtraction is, multiplication is, full name is. So like this way it is going to work. So my concept here, what I am trying to explain in this video is the return type. If there is no return type for that method, then what we need to give? We need to give void. I don't want to return anything. I can give void. Okay, so I don't want to return any value, then I can give void. But I want to return something. Integer means you need to provide here integer. String you want to return means you need to provide the string. Okay, so like this way we can work. I want to make you guys understand what is the importance of a return type. Okay, so yeah, anything you can give as a return type, int, float, double, char, string, anything, depends on your requirement. Okay, depends on your requirement, you can give anything. In this example I tried with int and string. You can try with float, double, char, and let me know how it is working and all. Okay, so that's all for this session. Okay, so thank you so much.